Hello world, PDR coming at you on another rainy day with a Mazda 3. We have it heated up to about 116, 124, 139. Wow, some parts are getting pretty hot. Let's step it back a little bit. Let me move my hat, and I'm gonna come in right here. I got my number one tool, and I'm just gonna baby this little dent out super quick. Call this a, hopefully let's call this a 1-minute video if we can dial this dent out. I'm right in the center. I'm on that body line. I'm actually using the white fog on my board in case anybody's wondering what I look at as I do a dent. Now I'm pushing right in the center of that little first pocket that's on the body line right here, and then I'm going to walk it on down into the center of that teardrop of a dent. Hopefully you guys got a good visual. That was a kind of a strong push right there, but there was even a little scuff on this dent that I buffed out. So this thing already looks way better. Let me get a little tighter here. And at this point in the videos, when I say, I sure do appreciate everybody that clicks on the video. I really do. If you would hit that subscribe, I sure appreciate that. It helps out the channel a lot. We love to see the channel grow. Community getting larger. But now I'm just kind of making some filler pushes in the middle to bring up the rest of this. I know I got that one high spot, and ow, that thing is hot. So let's tap down that high spot right here. I don't know if I'm blocking you or not, but it's a beautiful rainy day in the Pacific Northwest. And yeah, that one had a little Sharpie right there that I wanted to get out. Still kind of warm. Let's get it back to warm again and sneak in here underneath with my number one tool and basically just bring up the rest of that little low right there. So that's how we do it. A quick little how-to. The heat is one of the key factors on this one. And I won't even say that this one came out 100%. I mean, it came out fairly clean. Now that I'm looking at the fog here, I can see I've got a couple more little areas I have to do. But this is one of those dents that'll probably go in the free list. Just because the initial dent on this car was much larger, and we made a video on that one. Make sure you check it out. But I'm just tightening up the rest so that I can tap this down and call it good. Let me see here. I've got this little high on the top, and I think after I get this out, it's going to look real nice. I don't know how much time we have left on the camera, so what we're going to do is, I don't know, give me about another 10 seconds here. Give it some taps, clean it up, and honestly guys, if need be, I'll come back on this one and spend about 5 minutes off camera, but just wanted to get another video out for you all. And now that it's looking pretty nice, gosh, it was a small dent to start with, don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to toot a horn, but it came out real nice, and now I'm right back up on top of it, just cleaning up that top edge where I want those lines to straighten up. Straighten up, lines. Straighten up and fly right. Okay, here we go. And then this last little one down on the bottom, right where I needed to be, right on the scuff itself. And that sure straightens it a lot up. Move this stuff out of the way and take a look at it. Yeah, it's got a little tight pocket right here that I'm going to want to tap. Little tight line right here. And once I tap this down, it's going to look just fine. Once again, sure do appreciate everybody that clicks on the video. And Here is just a little dent out of a Mazda 3 fender in a couple of minutes. But yeah, we wanted to get... I don't like to leave dents on cars, so if I go and do a big huge dent and then somebody's got a little tiny one on their fender, I'll be like, I'll take that fender dent out for you. And most people appreciate that a lot. So I hope you guys liked the video. I sure liked making it for you. Hit that like on the way out if you would. Otherwise, this has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.